This is a traffic light module, so it's 3 main auto traffic lights, and they all have different timing to represent, realistic timing, so the yellow will be on for a much shorter time than all the others. These 2 are pedestrian lights, and they would probably be moved in a different place, but just for convenience, I put them right there. So when the red is on, the white is on, which shows how long the pedestrians can walk. And then for when it's yellow and it's green, so when cars are moving, the pedestrian light is on, telling them that they cannot cross.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Great.
Hi, my name is Prisha. Today I programmed a robot that has a sensor-controlled LED lights. I programmed my Arduino microcontroller using my computer. Here's how it works. So it's made with LED lights, as I told you before, and it can go forward and backwards. And it has a sensor so if I put my hands in front of it, it can detect it, and the lights turn on, as you can see, and it beeps.
Cool. Okay. What did you use? You used an Arduino?
I used an Arduino, and I used a sensor, an IR sensor, some batteries, nuts and bolts, wheels, and
P for?
Prisha.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You have to go here. Okay. Go towards that. Come closer. Come closer. Go back.
Hello, my name's Hia, and today I made a robot with an infrared sensor and a buzzer. When the sensor, which is this, senses something in front of it, it starts the buzzer while it's going backwards. Then it turns around and comes back in a different direction. And I'll just run the robot into the wall. There we go. Other things to do for pastimes.
Can I borrow someone's battery thing?
Come here, Ducky. Good.
Come in front of it.